Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we're going to see how CSS selectors can be combined to affect more specific groups of elements than before. To understand how this could be helpful, let's look at a scenario in which our CSS selectors are affecting too many elements. This web page contains 4 links, 3 in the navigation, and 1 inside of a paragraph. Because a rule has been defined for A tags, all 4 links are being affected. Now this might be the desired effect, but what if we only wanted this rule to affect links inside the nav element? We could add a class to these links, but it would be much easier to simply specify the context in which they appear. When 2 or more selectors are separated by spaces, they each act as a context check. In this case, the rule will check if the A tags are inside of a nav element before affecting them with this rule. Not only is it extremely effective, but it did not require any modifications to the HTML code. Now let's reload it, and we can see that only the links in the navigation are being affected. In the next example, a CSS class is affecting too many elements. We can see that one of the links in the navigation is indicating that it's selected, but an item in the list below is also being selected. Ideally, the class selected should have a different effect on the link than on the list item. It would certainly be possible to use some kind of contextual selector to affect only links in the nav, but instead, we can use a compound selector to affect only selected links. By combining these 2 selectors, elements will need to be A tags and have the class selected in order to be affected by this rule. We can see in our browser that it's corrected the problem, and it still allows us to define alternative behavior for the selected class on these list items. There are many other possible combinations, with many more still to come in the future. For now, duplicate the code in this video and try to use these new selector possibilities to simplify the code on your own site. Thanks for watching, and be sure to post the results in the comments section below.